Hello and welcome to another uAttend by Chronologic YouTube tutorial. My name is James and I am part of the support team for the uAttend system. And today we will be covering email notifications for time off requests. You may have already seen the previous video where we enabled the time off request feature. We also have the ability to enable notification emails to be sent to either the employee requesting the time off or the supervisor and admin approving the time off. So we're going to go through that in this video. So I am back in my company name test account as the administrator, and I am on settings, employee services, where we can see the time off request feature that we enabled in the previous video. So if I click edit again, you will notice that we have notifications here. And if I just hover my mouse over the little eye, notifications are sent when time off is requested, approved, denied, or cancelled. So what we'll do is we'll click enable to enable the email features. And currently we only deliver via email. So now what I will do is click save. And as previously stated, the supervisors or admins or both and the employees will receive emailed notifications informing them. What is important to remember is that if we go to users, if you would like to take advantage of this feature, the employees, supervisors, and administrators must have an email address associated with them in order for it to work. So if I go to test as the administrator, who I'm logged in as right now, you can see there is an email field here, james@chronologic.co.uk. That is the email address I have in here as an example. All of the fields, email fields in uAttend, you will need to put an email address. Thanks for listening. I hope you found this video useful. Remember to like this video by clicking the thumbs up and subscribe for more content. You can find out more information on how to get in touch with us in the video description down below.